Welcome to the guide on setting up your scanners. eMDs has released an update and is currently being, or already has been, applied to your clinic's database. With this update, a substantial change was made on how the software sees TWAIN drivers, allowing it to recognize both your webcam and scanner as separate entities. We'll be focusing on the initial setup for the scanners to ensure that you and your clinic can scan as usual. Firstly, we'll navigate to your TWAIN module. Click on File and Acquire Profile Setup. A window will appear and you will click on Add. Proceed to name the profile Scanner. Then, click on the drop-down menu for Acquire Source and select your scanner. Afterwards, update your color format to monochrome and your resolution or DPI to 200. If your scanner has the capability to do so, you can also allow it to utilize the feeder as well as scan both sides. Hit Save to lock in your settings and close out of the Acquire Profile window. For the last step, navigate to your Scanner button and right-click the small down arrow. Select the scanner profile we had just made and you have successfully set up your scanner. Please note that this will have to be done on each unique workstation in the office. This concludes the guide on setting up your scanners.